7, 16, 39, I make it rain. Love of the jacket goes through anything. Bloody around that rockin' block. Charging handle cock, rip that trigger, body drop. Shoot your caught him, but a stop. Rip right through the block, tires pop, now you stop. Grab your Glock, my barrel's hot. I don't need no dot to line up my shot. Now say, tell me, yeah, quickly. I know I've been doing this all in pictures, but I gotta take a video here because Ford screwed me over in the alternator. That alternator takes tiny ass 8-gauge wire and can't handle a terminal that big. So I had to go to the battery, which isn't where the power is generated, especially in this weak ass battery. This battery can barely start the truck.
There on the ground, those are your intestines.
Yeah, the lights dim.
I'm at the snooze. She wake me up like the morning girl. Hard to find it like I lost license. Put the Bible on the dresser, bitch, I need it.
Take it out, fix the strap and tell her ass to switch positions. She a busy body, so you know I gotta keep her busy. Bring her to the clinic and let her suck dick and see get dick.
Off the chain, go from my head to toe, working that head box, swallow it, never change.
Oh cool, can actually do the text.
The Holocaust, throw him in the fucking body, eliminate the septic cost. All the fragments in this lost. Burn some muscle tissue, laser pistol, scarecrow, bone gun. Characters are welcome. Blow them out the hemisphere. Had another tattoo tear. Cut your throat from ear to ear. Treat you like hydraulic pumps. Pop your body till it's.
Put off the Cali plans, I'm pressing on the flame.
So yeah, I got my wire here. It runs up through the wheel well.
And put my mind on cash, I'm wheel gripping and steel tipping, brandy wine on flash. I got a screen in the dash, a quarter tank full of gas, smoking that puff past stove. I hope I don't crash. Whipping and push a blast on, flyer than a mockingbird, loading the motor.
And we come through a hole here. I'm actually gonna take the carpet at some point and run the wire about there, but underneath. All that's gonna run underneath at some point.
Got phone cup full of ball. Deep in my old school car.
And this battery and alternator are both junk. The alternator is just low power, the battery is at end of life. Pioneer head unit should be ready to rock. I'm about to test it out before, and if everything works out how it should, then I'm gonna wrap this tightly with electric tape so it doesn't suck to put in there. Let's see, Ford was already kind of on it. Got my new head unit and I love it. It makes my speaker sound better.
And I'm hard to find it like I lost license.
No longer need to take my CD out. I no longer have to take the faceplate off that takes the CD out. It's got a line in. It does only have 2 channels of output though. No fader adjusting on here. Unless I and this remote's kind of a downgrade compared to my Kenwood. Kenwood got a better remote.
A young nigga with an old soul.
When I'm blessed in my birth, don't wealth it. I don't think you wanna fuck with us.
And do the job. Legs on the bed. And give me head. Don't have to ask. Don't have to beg.
Not crazy travel.
Let's call the boys. Let's run a train. Squeeze